tungkol sa impeachment case. Samantala, aminado naman ang Malacanang na wala pa ring hiling ang Senado kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. na magpatawag ng special session para sa impeachment trial. Eden Santos sa balita.
Inatasan ng Supreme Court ang Senado at Kamara na magsumite ng komento sa petisyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte laban sa impeachment complaint sa kanya. Ayon kay SC spokesperson Attorney Camille Ting, binigyan ng 10 araw ang mga liderato ng Senado, Kamara at si House Secretary General Reginald Velasco para sagutin ang petisyon. Sa petisyon ni Duterte, pinapatigil nito ang impeachment trial at pinapawalang bisa ang ika-4 na impeachment complaint.
She claims the impeachment complaint violated Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which states that no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year. The court required the House of Representatives, its Secretary General Reginald Velasco, and the Senate to comment on the petition within a non-extendable period of 10 days from notice.
Aminado naman si Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Attorney Claire Castro na wala pa ring hiling ang Senado kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na magpatawag ng special session para sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
It would be an awkward position on the part of the President to voluntarily call for special session, considering that there is this ongoing intrigue that the President is behind the impeachment proceedings. So it is better for the Senate to request the President, considering that even the President made this pronouncement that if the Senate will ask him to call for special session, he will do so.
Pero naniniwala si Castro na maaaring magpatawag si PBBM ng special session.
Meron din po dalawang school of thoughts dyan. Pero kung papasanin niyo po ang Constitution, the President may call special session anytime. So with that, hindi lang po ito limitado sa kung may urgency patungkol sa bill or legislation, but we believe it is also, it